In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create zoom a picture in CapCut PC. So first, you can select your picture to the track. So to create a moving zoom picture, you can add the keyframe. So you can find the keyframe button on the right of the position and the size. Just click on it, and you can swipe to the right on the clip, and you can change for scale, and it is for the position. Swipe to the right again, just for the position and size. So do as before until the end of the clip. Alright, so you can see for the final result like this. Yeah, I think this is basic tutorial, but I hope this was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.